Hey, what if I told you that $100 invested today could be worth thousands in your future?
Most people think investing is only for the rich prince, so they wait, and waiting silently destroys their future.
The real problem is, nobody teaches you how to start small. So most people never start at all. This isn't just your problem. Billions of people globally earn money but never make their money work. The first barrier common. You believe you need thousands of dollars before you can even begin investing. Old investing rules required large minimums, but fractional shares changed everything for everyday investors forever. Every year you wait for the perfect amount to invest is a year of compound growth lost forever. The fix now. Start with exactly what you have today. $100 is more than enough to begin. Use a beginner-friendly investment app that offers fractional shares and zero trading fees to get started. Today, download one beginner investment app, create your account, and deposit your first $100. The second barrier, Proding, fear of losing money keeps most people out of investing completely and permanently. Our brains feel losses twice as painfully as gains. It's called loss aversion, and it's completely normal. If fear keeps you out of investing forever, inflation quietly destroys the value of all your saved cash. The fix pun? Start with index funds. They spread your risk across hundreds of companies automatically. Instead of betting on one company, an index fund bets on the entire market flat, which always grows long-term. Today, Cal, search for a broad market index fund on your investment app and invest your first $100. The third barrier cuts you, not understanding compound interest and how dramatically it multiplies small investments over time. Compound interest means you earn returns on your returns, a POW. Your money grows on top of itself continuously. Without understanding compounding, you underestimate your small investment and quit far too early every time. The fix PODO. Use the rule of 72 to visualize exactly how fast your money doubles at any growth rate. At 10% annual return, 72 divided by 10 man, your money doubles every 7.2 years. Today, Browd, search Compound Interest Calculator online and type in your $100 to see your future. Calculate your compound growth right now. The fourth barrier come, trying to time the market. Waiting for the perfect moment to invest that never comes. Even professional fund managers fail to time the market consistently. When markets drop, people panic and wait. When markets rise, they think it's too late to buy now. Missing just the 10 best market days per decade can cut your total investment returns nearly in half. The fix Ben, use dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount every month, regardless of what markets do. When prices drop, you buy more shares. When prices rise, your existing shares grow. You win either way. Today, Pam, set up a recurring monthly investment of $100 in your app on the same date every month. The fifth barrier tape, putting all your $100 into one single stock and calling it investing. One stock, I'm as gambling, not investing. Beginners pick companies they know half, the one app they use, the brand they love health, and call it research. One company failure can wipe your entire investment. That emotional loss often stops you investing forever. The fixed O, diversify from day one. Spread your $100 across multiple assets immediately. Diversification investing. A simple three-part split, create 70% index fund, 20% bonds, 10% individual stocks. Today, Foray, split your $100. 70 to an index fund, 20 to bonds, 10 to one stock. The sixth barrier tub, investing once and stopping. $100 invested once grows very little alone. Investing once equals money barely grows at all. People invest once, feel good about it, and stop kind of, treating it like a task completed rather than a habit. Without consistency, you lose the full power of compounding, a POW, the single greatest wealth building force that exists. The The fixed toe, automate your investing completely. Set it once so it happens every month without any effort. Automated investing removes. Link your investment app to your bank account and set a fixed date to auto-invest every single month automatically. Today for Rainham, go into your investment app settings and activate the automatic recurring investment feature right now. You now know every barrier and every fixed payout. Let's recap your complete $100 investing system fast. Start with exactly what you have today, a PO, and use index funds to spread your risk from the very beginning. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Use dollar cost averaging to invest every single month consistently. Trust compounding. Invest monthly, always. Always diversify your investments and automate everything so consistency never depends on your willpower. $100 is not too small to start. In 20 years, you will be so glad you started today. Bonus tip, Quill. Every time you get extra money, invest half immediately before your lifestyle can absorb it. What's stopping you from investing your first $100? Drop your answer in the comments below.
Subscribe to Money Quill and a new money secret every week to build your wealth. See you soon.